kubor baman ke Sngi, awan lam shipi da unang yalam news.
Plie ke SBI bang Phramer, phah khang ke Seng MPUF hak Sngi tep den burom yai MP i Dr. Syngkon. Ke Seng MPUF kadap deng jesuse ban lap badan don ki bang ki bapli wat hak Sngi bel depen bana berpen me hukum da ke state government pamenta ke Sngi arfuai hajar arpunrew dai ban khang borok ki office sarkar bat ki bang na ke benta ban pendep ye ke jile niam bakado ye ke met bedangsa jong MP badan burom jongi ilet Dr. Syngkon na kaliang jaga Seng kelalap ye ke wei ka bang ka bapli jong ka SBI Phramer bang kabadan hapok kasnong Phramer West Chente Hill District kumta kilalek ban yakendo Syngkon ya ka brand manager bat phah khang Syngkon ya ka te ka bang.
But in this few days, the government have been declared that this should be a whole day.
Because actually I didn't get any this one the confirmation from my head office. We can close only under NIF, no? That's why
You can open. There's the running price also have been closed today.
Every bank, the whole state is closed today because there's state holiday now.
So you must respect, especially our state
We
bank.
should. You are right, so we have to close down.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, madam. This call card.
Banyo ye ki kubor baman ke Sngi, sumhawan subscribe ye ka channel unang yalam news. Kublai shibu.